Hi everyone, today we are making Sawboro, a classic Sri Lankan snack loved by everyone. I am making mine in my wood-fired oven, but the same method works perfectly in your home oven too. Let's start by roasting 80 grams of sago seeds in a dry pan until they turn golden. While those are roasting, let's get the mixture ready. In a bowl, add 100 grams of breadcrumbs, 80 grams of grated coconut, 80 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, two tablespoons of butter, mix everything together. Then add the roasted sago seeds. Now add 2 tablespoons of water and mix until the mixture just holds together. I'm using 2-inch cutter to shape them. Press the mixture firmly into the cutter until it holds its shape cleanly. Repeat with the rest. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 15 minutes. Then flip each piece and bake for another 15 minutes until both sides are golden and crispy. And here's the final result. That color, that crunch, that smell, absolutely perfect. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'll be back with more recipes. See you in the next one.